Dan sebelum mendarat, ini adalah penerbangan bebas rokok. Terima kasih.
Hey guys, I just arrived at the hotel that I'm going to be quarantined in. You can see from my eye bag, I look really tired and I haven't been sleeping since yesterday. So this is the bed, okay. And yeah, they have television. Because I haven't been studying for quite some time, so I have to start studying. So I'm really happy that they have a table for me to study. I think I will get stressed within these 14 days because I can't really go outside and all. So I was expecting a bathtub so I can like relax or something. Bathroom looks clean, and yeah, they have a hair dryer there, and also they provide the clean towels. Let me show you guys what they gave us as a snack. I think it's like kind of like supper right now because it's already 11 something. So they gave us a chicken lettuce and mayonnaise sandwich. Oh, I haven't tried this before. Milk, wow. And apple muffin. Okay, this one, which is provided for all the people who quarantine. And yeah, I think I should go through this and yeah, just relax myself. Okay, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.